At Harman, we primarily install UCW 8000, our high-performance curtain wall system, which is fabricated, assembled, and glazed at our 4 manufacturing facilities across the U.S. Manufacturing in a controlled environment versus in the field reduces the impact weather can have on the install schedule, allows us better quality control, and requires less time in the field. The completed glazed units are shipped ready for installation to the job site, normally packed in bunks of 4 units each. These deliveries are sequenced with the install schedule so that typically only 1 floor of units is delivered at a time, reducing the amount of space required on site to store material. At the job site, the first step is to install the anchors that will be used to place the curtain wall. We use total station surveying equipment to precisely and efficiently set layout points for the curtain wall anchors. Once installation is complete, they are marked blue so the other trades know they can complete the steps outside of Harman's scope. The curtain wall units are then staged in sequence and lifted into place using a crane either from the ground or from inside the building. As each unit is raised, team members guide it into place. One of the benefits of curtain wall is that the installation requires only a small install crew of typically 6 team members, which helps to keep manpower costs at a minimum. Once the unit is placed, it is locked into the curtain wall anchors and adjusted to fine-tune the elevation. The placement is then checked for accuracy using a site level or rotating laser. A weather-resistant sealant is applied to each of the curtain wall seams. This helps to create one of the most airtight, weather-resistant building facades available today. Next, fire protection foam is cut to fill the gap between the floor and the curtain wall unit. In the case of a fire, the foam helps to contain the fire to one floor, rather than moving to the next floor above or below. Smoke seal is then applied to the foam to cover any small gaps. Finally, we complete the interior by placing the sill brackets and installing the windowsill extension, also known as stool trim. The stool trim gives a finished look to the curtain wall system. It is hammered into place to ensure a tight fit, and then cleaned to remove any residue. A temporary coating is applied to protect the metal during the interior construction process. This sealant is simply peeled off once construction is complete. With more than 6 decades in the construction business, we bring our high-quality standards, a culture that insists on safety at every level, a process based on collaboration, and a constant desire to find new ways to do things smarter to every project we work on.